Hey, come here. Come on. Come here, baby. Come here. Hi. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. It's my boo-boo. He's so camera shy. Hey, my little squirrel. Come on. My little squirrel. My little squirrel baby. Ready? There we go. Hey, everyone say hi. Say hi, Scrappy. Scrappy. Happy Pappy Scrappy. Happy Puppy Scrappy. Come here, baby. Come here. Ready? Hey. Guys, he's usually full of energy. Today isn't one of those days. But it's because it rained. He's usually out here bouncing around. So until another video, I will definitely get you guys his energy, because it's so nice to see it. Hope you guys have a great day. Say bye, Scrappy. Baby. Alright, well, he's just plain ignoring me. Alright, guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.